Alright, this is my latest incarnation of my, we'll call it a hybrid rainwater system, because technically the rainwater goes under the house and gets pumped by the sump pump to this hose, which I have currently running out here, but it will be buried. Goes around back here to my 3 barrels. I can just pop the hose in and out of each one as they get full. And a little butterfly for you. Anyway, got a soaker hose here. I got it today. I hooked it up to the rain barrel. Didn't know if there would be enough pressure for it to work, but as you can see, it works perfectly. Sending water to all my vegetables here. Just use a hose for the rest of it.